Hey guys, it's Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're here watching me for the first time, welcome. It's good to have you here. I am an online entrepreneur as well as fashion designer, and I'm here to help you with tips and strategies to help you succeed in your business. So I recently started selling on Poshmark, and I have discovered the Goodwill Outlet Clearance Center. I've been to both of them in West Palm and also Fort Lauderdale, and today I'm going to show you my haul, everything that I will be selling on Poshmark, and it's just fabulous. The brands and the items that I found, and mind you, you buy by the pound, so you're literally paying $1, $2 a pound, and I have my bag here of 25 pounds of stuff to sell on Poshmark. And it comes out to $1.60 something a pound. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you my haul, and hopefully you can be inspired by this. So the first thing I picked up, or one of the first things, is this beautiful Land's End cream color buttery soft down coat. It is in perfect condition except for a couple tiny spots that you can barely see, which I will try to get out with alcohol. And I mean, these coats are selling for well over $150. I will list it probably around $100, and of course I take all offers because I am buying these items at such a deep discount that, you know, I take offers, obviously, but it's a gorgeous coat. Okay, we also have an amazing condition Banana Republic cute cropped sweater with zipper detail, like a heather gray. These, of course, almost new condition Teva shoes, really cute. I think they're kid size, but it doesn't matter. They're like new, and these are very expensive. So brand new condition. I think they sell about $40, $50. Okay, this is so much fun, just digging in the bag. This next top is a Lucky men's button-down shirt in amazing condition, and I just love this retro pattern. Really cute, like a mustard medallion print, XXL. So for those guys out there, got a really cute Lucky shirt. Here's a little J. Crew, super soft, sleeveless with tuxedo front. This is a little button-down dress, and it is super lightweight for summer. And of course, you know, I'm testing a lot of brands right now because I'm only about 2 months in on Poshmark. I'm going to give you my 2-month update in one of my next videos. It's going well so far. And this is a refresh, these really cute little espadrilles, striped, just super cute and in perfect condition. I don't think they've been worn. Okay, we've got some Steve Madden quilted sneakers, and these look pretty small, but you know what? It's okay. They were in such good condition, I picked them up. Coach leather shoes. I know this style is probably an older style, but you know what? They're in great condition. Even if someone picks them up for $10 or $15, who doesn't want Coach shoes that are in great condition? I don't know. All right, next we have this really cute, just a little sweet, kind of like an embroidered and lace, Battenberg lace cover-up. Really cute, no name brand. These are born I don't think these have been worn, in perfect condition, leather sandals. This is a great style to sell on Poshmark, or a great brand, I should say. Kate Spade heels. Really good condition. Who does not love a pair of Kate Spade heels? Unfortunately, it's so tragic what she, you know, her committing suicide is such a tragic event. Unfortunately, you know, we've got to deal with these kind of things in life, but, you know, her legacy will live on with these beautiful shoes and items. Zara Basic, these really cute embroidered jeans. It's a good style to sell as well. These Michael Kors shoes, I actually picked up another pair. They're not in the best condition because there's a little yellowing on the heel right here, but again, someone will pick them up for $10. I actually sold the same pair recently, I think in good condition. I think I got about $15 for them. Okay, this is a Talbot's perfect conditioned. It's really cute, like a very nautical theme top. And, you know, such in perfect condition, I couldn't pass that one up. This Jessica Simpson, really cute tweed jacket, size 7. And it is in perfect condition. This will be great for when the winter comes. It's just a cute little, like a short cropped jacket. A lot of cute ribbon detail on that one. All right, you guys hanging in there? Now, I've never tried Chico's. Again, I've only been selling for 2 months, but I'm testing a lot of brands to see what's working. So here's a Chico's really soft, dusty rose sweater. It's in perfect condition. It's an open weave. And I'm going to test some brands to see what is working for me. And again, in business, it's all about testing. You've got to test to see what works and what doesn't. And do more of what works. Okay, we have some, this is Flying Monkey. I love that name, Flying Monkey. And these are size 9, which is a great size, turquoise jeans. Okay, let's dig in the bag a little more. I love this next top. This is a Althea, really cute embroidered cropped top in great condition. It is just so, if you can see it up and close, the embroidery is fantastic. And it is in perfect condition. Next, we have some Lucky jeans, and these are super soft, and I love how they are just worn at the bottom. You know, everyone wants the destroyed jeans right now. Okay, another simple little, this is a Banana Republic simple skirt, great condition. Everything I'm picking up is in really good condition. Okay, here's another Chico's. I know animal prints are really big. It's kind of variegated zebra print with some embroidery here and some beading. So, you know what? I'm going to try the Chico's brand, see what happens. Okay, so cute. I love these. Are Gap Kids Never Worn. Just perfect condition. Gotta find the other one somewhere. But yeah, these are cute. They may be for my daughter. These are size 3. So very cute. Sparkly. Who doesn't love sparkles? Okay, Fit Flops. This is a great brand. It was the original, you know, these kind of sandals that were these comfort sandals years ago. I don't know when these came out, maybe 15 years ago or so. And now everyone's copied them, but these are the original Fit Flops. They do need to be cleaned up a little bit, but still in really good condition. We're going to see what we can get for all of this. This next, I don't know the label, who this designer was. It obviously was ripped out, but I just think this is fantastic. This is a snake skin. If you can look, it's a snake skin, like sheer, blousey top. It is just fantastic. This definitely looks vintage. I can just feel the way the, you know, everything is made. It just really cool. So check that one out. This next sweater, I didn't know this brand. It's called Blue Willies, and it's actually, this is made in Denmark, and the stats are really good. I think they go for $50 and up, and this is in fantastic condition. I believe this is a men's. It has some like denim detail, but really nice cardigan sweater. Okay, we can't leave out Anna and Elsa boots. Can't leave those out. Some Bobs. You know, these are okay condition, but you know, they'll sell $10. Some more Michael Kors heels. Now the heels are a little scratched up in the back, but as long as you disclose everything, these actually strap and lace around your leg, your ankle. But as long as you disclose everything, you will be fine. You will be covered under Poshmark. Okay, what else do we got here? Here's the other silver metallic. Okay, we've got some Coach. These are gorgeous Coach wedges, and I just love this part right here. This detail, anything chains I'm addicted to. So these will, you know, they're also a nice snake skin. So these should, you know, catch a nice penny. Those are great. Okay, here is Ann Taylor. Again, these are brands that I'm not really sure about. I haven't tried, but obviously Ann Taylor is a classic basic, so we'll try it out. They're in perfect condition. It can't hurt. Okay, this brand is Sanctuary in Los Angeles. These are a nice pair of simple, classic, you know, flat front shorts, soft and in a really pretty, like a salmon pink color. Okay, just a couple more things. Gucci shoes. I know you can't really see the label, but here's some classic square-toed Gucci shoes. Yes, Gucci. Found these at the thrift store clearance center, Goodwill. Okay, great condition, and who knows who's looking for these. You never know. I've got these Steve Madden, really funky high platforms. I just thought they were fun for the summer. And so if you need to grow like 5 inches, these are the shoes for you. Okay, what else do we got in the bag? Last but not least, here's some Stuart Weitzman. And these are classic pumps, and they're in pretty good condition. The back of the heel does have some scratches, but you know what? We'll list them. We'll see what we can get for them. And who doesn't need a nice pair of classic camel pumps? Really nice. And that was my haul. That whole bag cost me $50. It was about 25 pounds, a little more than 25 pounds. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. I surely had a lot of fun picking through the merchandise. I was there for about 3 hours, and I could have probably stayed longer because they continually bring out more items in these big bins. Actually, I will do a video inside so you can see what is going on behind the scenes. That will be for a future video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, drop a like and a comment. This way I'll know that I can produce more great content for you guys. Anyway, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video.